So wait, you know, something to tell you what I go on. You know what this is? Huh? You know. Oh, what is the right answer? What that? Yeah, me will pay if you talk. What that? Yeah, hold on then. You see, because me. Eh? I want to make sure I hear everything what you say now. So, let's start with you and tell me. Put on the box, man. I'll just drop this right as in your pocket.
No, man.
Yeah, man. More you tell me what that?
The bush, man.
So why you put the bush right there? And I first man see the bush there. Why you put the bush right there, sir?
I don't get no money. I don't talk to me get money.
You don't talk? How much money you want?
20,000.
Who bring come here for Christmas, man? Are your Christmas gift you want? So then call the hype on the corner. So you not tell me not even what they call it out here? Suppose me for send somebody to come buy a bottle of water. Who me for tell them to come to? You not tell me that either. Can't bother with you, yeah. Give me back my mic. Can't bother with you. I don't know how I go on film. All of a sudden him get shy. Should him not know what this is. Look, come more.